Hi, my name is Evan. This is for Cristiano. I think she remembers it. Here we go again. You are not my friend. You are just my sister. So you can't tell me you to go in. I don't know the rest of it. I just got through watching it and I remembered it. But listen to Heaven. It's a really touching song if you want it. If you want to. Listen to Baby Kaylee Heaven. It's a really touching song. And I'm sad. I'm sad because I just watched it and I'm sad. I remember about that, and she's just brave. And I know ain't nobody gonna watch this, so I don't know what I'm saying. I already know nobody gonna watch this because it's not actually interesting. So, yeah. If anybody watch this, listen to Baby Kelly You Have It. If you're in a sad mood, don't listen to it. If you're in a happy mood, you can listen to it if you want. So, peace.